Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board a 2026 257 Fisherman by Grady White. It's powered by twin 200 Yamahas on the back. This is an awesome boat for offshore fishing, can do some bay fishing as well. Good family use boat too, because we've got a lot of extra cushions and things for the bow of the boat. Starting in the back, we've got a nice fish box here. We've got a really nice bait well here. One of the features I like is the fold-away bench seat. One of the best rides in the boat, but when you're not riding, you've got a great bolster here for when you're fishing. Grady White put some good tow holes on their boat too if you need to gaff a fish or just grab a cleat on a dock. Got a really nice boarding ladder on the back that extends way down into the water. It's real easy to deploy from inside the boat or outside the boat. Nice walk-through door. I really love the tackle station on this model too. We've got some good storage for your terminal tackle. We've got a nice Yeti cooler on a really cool slide-out tray. Rod holders all over the place. We've got them on the gunnels, got them on the helm, got them up front. We got them everywhere. Grady White allows us the opportunity to put whatever electronics you want on your boat, so we can custom rig your dash here with whatever you want on there. And another great feature this boat has is the anchor windlass on the front of the boat and a very large head compartment to take care of your guests. It's just a great boat for fishing or entertaining. My name is Paul here at MarineMax in Houston. Come check this out and many of our other great offerings. I'll be glad to take care of you.